Heat moves in three ways: radiation, conduction, and convection. Radiation occurs when heat moves as energy waves or infrared waves directly from its source to something else. Conduction heats the handle of a pot when the bottom of the pot is exposed to heat. The heat moves from the burner through the pot to the handle. Convection happens through objects that can flow like water or air when heated in the presence of gravity. Welcome to the 6th grade science fair. Our booth focuses on the transfer of heat energy. So sit back and watch our 4 experiments. And here we go.
For this experiment, you'll need a thermometer, a bowl or a cup of water, and some ice. Once you have all of your materials, add the ice to the bowl or the cup of water. Once outside, use your thermometer to get a reading on the ice water. My lowest temperature was around 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you get a temperature reading, place the bowl or the cup of ice water in a sunny spot and come back approximately 2 hours later to get a new temperature reading. It was 95 degrees outside when I did this experiment. Conduction is heat transferred by direct particles of matter, normally from a region of higher temperature to a region of lower temperature. In this experiment, it's from the sun to the water. After 2 hours, my final water temperature was 72.8 degrees, and it was 90 degrees outside.
For this experiment, you will need 7 pennies and a flat surface. You will line the 6 pennies up in a straight line. The pennies will represent atoms. This is what your setup will look like at the beginning of your experiment. Take the 7th penny and shoot it towards the other 6 pennies in a line. The penny that is shot represents an atom with excess kinetic energy.
White paper and one with black paper wrapped over them. I'm going to take a quick measurement and see what that reads. Got a 98.6. Okay. I'm going to read what this one says. .6. Okay. Next we have 2 glasses that are filled with water, one wrapped in white construction paper, the other wrapped in black. We're going to leave them here in the sun and see how long they take to heat up and what the temperature difference is. Here's the different temperatures of the glasses. Here's the one with the white paper around it and the black paper around it. And this has been sitting out in the sun for about 2 hours. And that's showing that the heat transfer.
So, what we did is we noticed the temperature between the 2 glasses were different. This is because the black construction paper absorbed and held on to all that heat and energy from the sun. Meanwhile, the white reflected most of the heat and light that was coming at it and kept that water cooler.
Teaching children the basic principles of radiation can be done easily and safely. Take the class outside and stand in a shady location, asking them to decide whether they feel hot or cold in the current area. Ask them to move to a sunny location and repeat the analysis. The warmth of the sunny area represents radiation, which can be thought of as a series of waves emitted by the sun that warms the ground.